Wow, look at that. So, I'm almost ready to move some stuff around a little bit more and be able to work on stuff. But, I think maybe I need to move the other stuff. I don't know, I have a soldering iron over here, too. It's just kind of not a good place for it, but, this thing here, actually, I found it to be quite useless. I heard something earlier rattling in it, so I'm not so sure if it's good to go or not. I know you can buy new ones of these, but usually this thing itself costs just as much as this thing does, so the soldering iron that comes with this is not really all that great. And then, like, the problem with this one is you have a digital display for one, but not the other. But I don't know if it fits any of my other stuff. I mean, it seems okay, but it's a little lackluster, maybe. Might be the word. And then I haven't really used this much. I just tested it. This came from the Amazon returns that ended up at Goodwill. And it had never been fired up because the end of it was still tinned. So these things here, they're kind of a pain because they get tangled. But I haven't really had a good chance to put it to use. We sucked up a little bit of solder into it, but I haven't figured out how easy it is to open this thing or not, because it looks like the spring wants to go places. Yeah, it just doesn't want to come out. Like, it doesn't move back far enough or some stupid crap. Yeah, it did not want to come out, which kind of concerned me a little bit. Yeah, so it really didn't come out real easily. Another thing that's missing from this one would be like some kind of holder. I probably could use this. I don't know, but there was supposed to be a little holder that goes over here, but it doesn't exist. So I don't know, man, but what I really need more than anything is I need a signal generator. I need a signal generator. I was playing around with the scope. I'm trying to remember. There is something wrong with it. I just can't remember the hell it is. I think there's some like interference between the two channels. But at any rate, I think I can use that for most anything I need. And this one does technically work. I just don't like it. So, but anyway, I don't know, we just kind of fiddle around with stuff. I don't have any serious diagnostic skills, so this stuff is just more to, like, play around with. And the frequency counter, I do use those if I'm working on radios, but what I find is that most of them aren't really accurate enough for anything. The Heathkit down there seems to work most of the time. And then I've got like a capacitor tester. And I need to open this thing up. There's something wrong with it. Make sure these aren't touching. It doesn't measure current anymore. So I don't know if there's just like a wire that's not on the shunt. Or something else is wrong with it. So maybe I need to replace it at some point in time. But it doesn't work right anymore. So that's basically most of my test equipment. I do have another oscilloscope over here, but it doesn't work right. So it's basically useless. So the time domain, the seconds per division don't work on it. It only works in like 2 or 3 spots. And then it just gives like a empty result on the other spot. So that's no good. But anyway, and I'm hanging onto that one because it actually has a frequency counter built into it. It's a, what is it? It's a 2247A. And the frequency counter seems to be pretty sensitive, I guess. But then I've got some other broken test equipment, but other than that, that's like about it for me. So anyway, that's test equipment.